Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the Venustas Heated Hoodie here. So it should be pretty fun one. I had a couple other of these. These are heated clothing from Venustas, always very nice. So right here we got a battery on top. Very cool, very compact, a charging cable, power, and how many volt? 4800. Got our instructions here also. Okay. Always these come in these nice little bags as well. So very cool for camping, or yeah, you can put this, if you take your hoodie with you, you can always put it in here and zip it up. So a little separate bag for them is pretty sweet. All right, off to the side, let's check this out. Nice little bag here as well. These are able to put in the laundry. Oh wow, I like this already. Nice and thick quality here. Oh, that is nice and thick. Okay, this, I can already tell this is going to be super warm. It's got a little button here on there. It's a zip up too, so that's cool. Nice deep pockets in here as well. Let's go ahead and try this on, shall we? This looks pretty sweet here. Let's actually put the battery pack in there real quick. So there's a nice little pocket on the inside. Just plug this in, just like that. Press the power button. Stick it back in a little pocket there. This has 5 heating zones, so it should be nice and toasty. Then we can press our button right there. Okay, there, we just didn't hold it down long enough. So we're fired up there. Zip that up. Okay, let's try this on here. Oh wow, that is nice and cozy. So I got the, I believe this is an extra large one. Let's double check. I like it a little bit, oh yeah, a little bit baggier, a bit more room there. This is super cozy. Actually, it's about perfect for me. Really like it. Try the zipper here. Zips up nicely. Don't want to cover my microphone there, obviously. Oh. Yeah, that's cozy, guys. This is, I like how the material is nice and thick. Already starting to heat up here a little bit. I turned on the heater. I'm going to have to turn it down because it's kind of a nice sunny day out there. So we do have the different settings. Obviously, the blue one, red is going to be the hottest, and then the white one for a little bit. But yeah, super cozy. Oh, getting a little toasty already. So really like this though. Nice little drawstrings on here as well, so you can really cinch that down if it's a cold day, you know. If not, you can have it like kind of the relaxed way. Just kind of a stylish, really comfortable. I like the length on it as well. Fits real nice. Like I said, I like a little bit baggier. You got obviously different sizes, different colors with this, but pretty sweet little hoodie here for sure. The Venustas stuff, I got a couple. I got a vest and like a jacket also. Super nice. We take them out to the beach when it's cold. Just getting a little chilly. Just hit your button and it warms up nicely. I'm actually going to turn this off because it's getting toasty here. So just hold it down. There we go. But a great idea. You can see like the battery pack. You can't really tell it's in there, even though you know it's right here underneath the pocket there. So just really comfortable and convenient also. Like I said, these are machine washable, so you don't have to worry about it just because it does have the heating elements inside. Oh, you can't wash them. You can definitely throw them in the not the dishwasher. You can throw them in the washing machine and it's gonna be just fine. These are made out of water resistant, like a polyester. So they're super comfortable, just kind of a nice little hoodie. I like definitely how thick the material is. I've had some hoodies before that were really thin, and so it feel like, you know, didn't really keep you that warm. But this is definitely warm right now, I'm telling you for sure. I might take it to the beach later on, but I really like wearing hoodies. They're just kind of more relaxed, kind of comfortable, and this is just a really nice, a very nice hoodie. I like the pockets are nice and deep. Put your hands in there, keep warm, and yeah, just a great little piece of clothing here, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. All right, guys, just hanging out at the beach here. A little chilly, so I turned on my heat for a little bit, pulled over my hoodie, and yeah, it was nice and toasty. Even though it had probably about a 15, 20 mile an hour wind blowing around, I was still nice and warm. This thing is super cozy, super relaxed fit. It's just yeah, even though it was windy, the wind wasn't really blowing through it or anything else like that. It's just a really practical, comfortable clothing, my friends. I highly recommend it. You guys have a great day out there.